welcome back to Cruising as Crew and welcome to the Mega Rockstar Suite. So if you want to cruise in absolute luxury, this is the place to do it, with your very own entertainment space, a minibar and a guitar collection. It is the most amazing suite I have ever seen, so let's take a look around. This is incredible. So as we walk through the front door, we have a bathroom to our left with the beautiful Carrara marble and the big vanity mirror. I like that you have a spare bathroom so that if you do have guests over, they don't have to walk through your bedroom to use the bathroom. They can just use this one right by the front door. Now moving on into the entrance, this incredible lounge area with this beautiful seating. This room is just made for entertaining. And the light fixture above the sofas is honestly one of my favorite things. It is so beautiful. And then in the corner of this room, we also have a telescope so you can look at the stars when you are out at sea. Now over to my right, we have a record turntable and a collection of records. We do have a record store on board, so you can borrow any records that you want. And also we have Richard Branson's famous Sex Pistols album, which he says is the reason for Virgin's success. And in the drawer underneath we have the 3 remotes for the 3 flat screen TVs in the room. Then we have this mini bar, which will be made up of the preferred alcohol that you inform Virgin Voyages about before you come on board. And underneath you will have a fully stocked mini fridge, champagne, beers, Red Bulls, wine, absolutely everything you could need. And then in the left hand drawer you will have a collection of beautiful glasses so that you can drink your alcohol in style. Now going into our first room on the left, this is the guitar room. Now this sofa can be made into another bed if you do want to sleep a 3rd or 4th person, and you also have an iPad again which can control the curtains and the temperature of the room. You then have a collection of guitars here so you can be the rock star that you are. Because this can be turned into a 2nd bedroom, we also have a wardrobe which has got plenty of hanging space, 2 life jackets. It also comes with a safe and 4 drawers. Hidden behind these cupboards is a flat screen TV, which is just incredible. And then in the cupboards below, you will find a PlayStation and a range of games. But I really like the fact that the TV can be hidden behind these cupboards. It looks really sleek. Now moving on to the master bedroom. I mean, look at that bed. It just looks absolutely divine. To the right we have a sofa area, and we also have the peekaboo window above which looks into the bathroom, and again the bedroom looks onto the balcony, so it's really lovely and light. Walking alongside the bed into the bathroom area, we have 2 double wardrobes, and if we take a look inside the wardrobes we have plenty of hanging space, 4 drawers and lots of shelving. The bath in here looks incredible, and I've never wanted to take a bath more in my life. Across from the bath is the vanity area, complete with an array of plug sockets for all your appliances. Now going into the bathroom, we have a huge shower, again that looks out onto the bedroom. We have a beautiful rain shower, but you also do have the option of showering with a wand. And in here you have a seat so you don't have to stand. A nice little touch also is these makeup towels in the bottom left hand corner, and I love the double sink that's built into the marble. And for even more privacy you have a separate toilet. And what Rockstar suite would be complete without the Rockstar dressing gowns? Now walking through the bathroom to the terrace. As you can see, we have an amazing jacuzzi here, which is beautiful to sit in as you are sailing away from whatever port you have been in that day. We also have a shower so you can shower off before going into your suite. These 2 beautiful sunbeds and this incredible dining table. And as I said, this space is just meant for entertaining. I mean, can you imagine bringing your friends round, having a lovely dinner on that table as you're setting sail? And then what would a sea terrace be on Virgin Voyages without the infamous red hammocks? So you have 2 of them right here. This balcony is absolutely huge, perfect for entertaining. I mean, it's so big that you'd never have to leave, and it's right at the front of the ship, so you can enjoy the same views that the captain enjoys. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tour of the Mega Rockstar Suite, and yeah, I hope you're now thinking of booking this suite for your next cruise. But if you enjoyed this video, please press like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. But as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.